Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to measure area in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this comment option. This menu already selected, and here you will find this measure tool option. Click here and this area of circle. Click here and drag your circle on your PDF file and see this circle properties now showing here. This circle area total 19.5 square inch, and this is distance and this angle, and under another circle here, and see this. Also you can change or increase decrease border size, and see this, and you can modify this circle here and make it, and see this. And second one, you can measure the area of polygon. Click here and draw polygon. Yeah, this is, I'll see this polygon area 35.75 square inch, and this angle, and this is horizontal, and this is vertical. Yeah, this in this way you can measure area on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.